Hello viewers, today we're going to show you the top 4 types of RAM usage monitor software for your device that usually helps people monitor their Mac or Windows devices. So, let's dive in. At number 1, we have the Macube, which is Mac software that works in recovering storage space on any Mac with its innate ability to identify and eliminate redundant files across critical macOS systems folders like iTunes, Photos, Mail, Browsers, and outdated large files by clearing browser cache and history. In the case of RAM usage monitoring, it provides real-time monitoring where it updates current RAM usage, enabling users to observe memory fluctuations and trends as they occur. Macube also provides process identification, alerts and notifications, historical data, and reports of the usage of RAM of your device. It is the most widely used and most convenient for Mac users. At number 2 is PRTG, a Windows RAM usage monitor with a user-friendly web that effortlessly scales from smallest to largest systems. It uses monitoring techniques like SNMP, WMI, NetFlow, and packet sniffing to gather data from network devices and monitor networks in small or complex scale environments. At number 3, we have Manage Engine Opmanager, another Windows software that supports monitoring methods like SNMP, WMI, NetFlow, and more, offering deep insights into network performance and device health, similar to PRTG. Yet novice users lacking experience with this console may find the software usage confusing and complex and very difficult to operate. At number 4, Mac Performance Monitor Stats, which is free and open source. Stats differentiates from Activity Monitor by offering a real-time display of various system resources right in the menu bar. CPU, memory, disk, battery, Bluetooth, network, whatever it is, Stats has it covered. It offers an instant data refresh rate and access to an activity monitor. Nevertheless, Stats lacks a disk cleanup feature, and its user interface also appears outdated. These are the 4 software to monitor your RAM usage. Stay tuned for more content like this to upgrade your Mac performance, like subscribe and share to Macube Cleaner.